In Ajax folder, keep some photo. In Ajax folder, keep some photo. After that, open CMD in Ajax folder. Open CMD in Ajax folder. Right here, code space dot enter. VS Code will get open. Hello. Bill means it is not any kind of purchase bill. Okay, so you need to go to the Ajax folder. You have one folder, Ajax folder. Go in Ajax folder, and under Ajax folder, you keep some four photos. In Ajax folder, keep some photos. What photo you can keep? Then in Ajax folder, open CMD. Copy some four photo and paste inside. Okay, folder kept, photo kept, CMD open, code space dot enter, VS Code will open, type code space dot, Enter. VS Code will open. Code space dot VS Code will open. Come to the VS Code. Create one file. Ajax.css. Create one more file. Ajax.html. Create one more file. Ajax.js. These three files we need to create. Ajax.css, Ajax.js, Ajax.html. Okay, so hope it's working. Hope you have written three files: Ajax.css, Ajax.html, Ajax.js. Now in Ajax.html file, you will be calling those pages. Head, then we have call link, rel equal to style set, href equal to ajax.css. Script src equal to ajax.js. Script src equal to ajax.js. Now come to the body part. Come inside, right call ul tag, then right call li tag. For li tag, right call home. Next li about us. Next li services. Next li. Gallery. Next li. JSON parsing 1, JSON parsing 2. Next, after that, open a section tag. Right here, ID equal to Ajax data. By default, you can write in a paragraph, no any data. After that, footer will come. Ajax is called a asynchronous JavaScript wrote here. Right quickly. Okay, this file is ready. Do right click, open with live server, ajax.js file. Simple is coming. As no you can fill. HTML. HTML portion ready. Hello, sir. Hello. Yes. Yeah. Yes, I will send in the Google for WhatsApp. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm sending. Come to the CSS file now. Ajax.css. Right inside for UL tag. First for body tag you can add here. Margin 0 pixel. Then we will go for the UL tag. Background. Hyphen color. Any color you can give. After that, hello. What is it? Government, no, our government is like robber. Okay, robber. Robber, you know, robber, robbering. Robbering meaning is what? Hmm? Background color. Which one? Dark. Something. Come next. After that, margin 0 px. Margin 0 px. After that, next will be display. Display colon flex. After that, list hyphen style hyphen type none. This is to remove the dots. List style type none. This is to remove the dots. Check now. All the li will come in one line. See, it's coming. All are coming in one line. Now we'll come down. You will have the li. Padding should be there. From top 18 px. Left right 35 px. Bottom 18 px. Right. Padding. So your menus will get changed completely. You will write the color as a white. Color will be which color? White color. Then font hyphen weight will be bold. Font weight will be bold. Take now, it will look like it's a navigation. Look like it's a navigation. Font size is small. We can increase little. Make font size bigger. Font size 22 px. Will look little big font size. Next, you can write cursor as pointer. Next, again, you can write UL of li colon hover. Over background should convert into which color? Dark red color or maybe orange color, dark orange color, and text should convert into color should convert into black color. This is few CSS. Let's add it once. Move the mouse on the line. Whichever the li will move the mouse, background will change. background will be changed. Something like this. Please check once. Something like this. Now we need to write the CSS for Ajax data as well as footer. Ajax data, you have an ID here. For that, you need to write some CSS as Ajax data width 80%, margin auto, minimum height 600 pixel, not 550 you can do, 550 px. Check now, Ajax data not applied. Why? What is that? ID called Ajax data. What is wrong with this? Ajax data is okay. Width 80%. Oh, mean height we should write now. Mean height, not width. Mean height. You can see footer gone to the last. Footer came in the last. Now we need to write some CSS for footer. So till UL li colon hover you have completed. Now pending is Ajax data. Is also you wrote. Now come to the footer. Footer background should be dark blue color. Then color should be white color. Text hyphen align should be center. Then padding should be somewhere 30 pixel is okay. Height of footer give somewhere 130 pixel, 140 pixel. Something like this. Footer is in the last and header is on the top. Wherever we move the mouse, color is changing. Now whichever the link you click, that related to that content will come here. Check once your page is loading or not. Page is loading. Similar, something else. So HTML file, CSS file is ready. Now we need to work on that JavaScript file. So in JavaScript file, that is ajax.js file. Let's go to ajax.js file. Or first we will come to HTML file. HTML file will go first. Looking similar? Or you both last one? It is similar yours? Okay. Now design is ready. Logic will be when you click on this menus, your footer will be same, header will be same, data will change in the middle section. Fetch method you have seen. Now this will be called a Ajax method. So we will go to the home file, on click, call a function, call get home. Similar way, get home, get about, get service, get gallery, JSON 1 you write, JSON 2 you write. Okay, ready? Let's go to this file. Now you have to write the function called get home. Get home function will write in which function, which file? Here in JavaScript file. That is called ajax.js. So in ajax.js, this all functions should be there. Get home, first function, write the function, get home, prepare a message h1, welcome home, close the h1, and call a function called print data. In print data, you will send the MSG. Now print data function is not exist. We have to write a function called print data. Write here a function print data. Write here called data as a parameter. Below you can write document dot get elements by ID. Ajax data dot inner text inner HTML equal to that data variable. We'll check once button click something is happening or not. Copy written. Click on home button. Anything is printing. Welcome home. Same way. What is the next function? Next function is called get about. Right here next function get about. This will also be like this. College about us. It should work. Get about us, get home, welcome home. Check. So it will be like this. Give me a minute. Now come to the CSS file. So this two function is written. Button click. Both functions should give something. A static. It is not Ajax. Just you are calling the function and seeing whether it's happening or not. We are calling the function and seeing whether it's happening or not. Okay. Next we'll go to the ajax.js file, CSS file, and we'll write a CSS for H1. Font size 70 pixel. Color, any color you can give. Example, red color is okay. And text hyphen align as center. Text align as a center. net. Okay, something like this happening. Let's go for next function also. We can write it. Remaining two more we have. That is for the get service, get gallery. Two. These two are static function. Remaining these two will be dynamic. So get service we have next, and get gallery we have next. Function get service. Content will be similar. Our services. Copy the same. Write next call. Get gallery. My gallery. Gallery. This one. This one. Hope these things are working well. It should be now something JavaScript based. This content is coming static from JavaScript, right? It should become now dynamic. There should be file called home.html, and this content should come from other file, that is from the home.html. Your page will be same, content will come from somewhere else. So those file we need to create. Home, about, service, and gallery. 4 file we need to create a static HTML file. Then we will see the next how we carry it through the fetch method. This one, Ajax method. Okay, so hope your functions are ready. Create 4 files: home.html, about.html, service.html, and gallery.html. 1 minute, I am sending something to someone. 4 file try creating: home.html, service.html, then service.html. After that, what is gallery? हाँ 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 हेलो हेलो हम्म 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 ठीक Okay, so hope all are ready. Come next. We'll go somewhere called w3schools.com. We'll search in Google directly like this. PHP Ajax sample code. You need to connect with internet. PHP Ajax sample code. PHP Ajax sample code. Enter. First link will open from, this will be the second link, I think. PHP Ajax database, W3. PHP Ajax database, this link will come. This link, PHP Ajax database link. Click on that. Click on that link. What we search? We search PHP Ajax sample code. After searching that, this W3 will come. PHP Ajax database.asp link will be there. Click on that. This website will open. Okay, open the URL. Now see here, you have a link here. Once you select any drop down from here, any name, you can see their name will display below. Select the name from drop down, whichever the name you are going to select, their details will display below. Displaying the name of selected person, the details of selected person will display below. Right? Come down. You have a function called show users just below. You have a function called show users. Show users you have below. In the show users function, you need to copy the else part. In the show users function, copy the else part. This much I will share in the chat also. Plus, if you are using the system, you open that W3, go here, PHP Ajax sample code, copy that. Now after this, we need to come to our page, and in the get home function, we need to replace it. Delete everything from the get home, replace there. In the get home function, delete everything and replace that. Get home function, delete everything and paste that. Get home function, delete everything and paste that. I'll explain you this line by line what is happening. First, let's execute once. So added the code here. Now you will modify the last line. This line you will modify and you will give the name of your file home.html. Modify the last line. Give the name of your file that is called home.html. Given home.html. Now come down. Once you given here home.html. So in current folder, you should have a file called home.html. If file will be there, home.html, then what will happen is content of home file will come automatically using these functions. Now come down here, remove this line, and this dot response text you keep in alert. 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 Now, if you have home.html file, in the home.html file, so this modification we have made, please check once this line, as well as this line. Only 2 line modification we have done. Modify this 2 line. Next, we'll go to the home.html file. And in home.html file, you have written welcome home, as well as in a paragraph, this is from home file. You check it. Once you click on the first button, you will see some alert. Checking now. Click on your home file. See any alert is coming. Same code what we have written there. Welcome home as well as paragraph. If I'll add one more paragraph, home page is working. Home page is working. Then that all 3 paragraphs come as alert. Getting the alert. Now come down. Here alert is coming. Instead of alert, you will call the print data. Remove alert, replace by print data. So whatever the content will come from home file, it will print in your Ajax page. Whichever the content come from the home.html file, it will print inside the Ajax page. Checking, printing or not. Welcome home. It's come like this. Now we can write in that home file in one paragraph, add the bulk text, 4-5 lines, 4-5 lines to add, and then see that is coming or not. Copy, paste, 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 and paste. Next p tag, close it. And for this p tag, also you can keep a line as a center, no problem. This will print in the middle. So 3-4 files are there, in that communication is happening. So here when we go, something like this. It read the content of home file, everything. Okay, hope working. Home file is loading or error. Okay, see the problem may be under this file. Which file? Ajax file. You have modified one line here and one line here, not many lines. Let me help you once. If we are given 18 pixels in Ajax.js file, go to Ajax.js file, you check the function name now in CSS file, CSS file. Container, what is the HTTPS percentage. How you run that? That you run to like you right click, not install. Nothing happen. API class have not been API is in yes, set up the systems. That's yes, if required to do generation, suppose 5-6 API applications are running and other unnecessary getting the because I think that like this right there, affecting. Okay. So, that line was already written that you have disturbed that line, anything modified. You have not copied even properly. Not the code. Code that line why you modified. Now ask you to modify some line. Yes, XML HTTP you are writing XML message. Yes. Okay, done. Let's go next. This should load on load. So in ajax.html file onload equal to call the function get home. Call the function called get home. And check once. So, error. Okay. Go next then. One function is calling in same ajax.js file. Copy the code of get home. Copy the code of get home and paste inside the get about. You will delete everything from the get about. Delete it from the get about and paste here and just change only the file name, that is about.html. About.html. Now you have about.html file. Let's go to the about.html file. In about.html file again, write h1 about us. Some 2 paragraph we can add. Sequence. Home button click, home page will load. About us click, about will load. These all are a static file. Your URL remain ajax.html, but this content come from the different file. Right? You can do similar for get service and get product. Get service and get gallery. 2 more file you have, same function we can copy. Same code we can take. This code I am sharing again in the chat. Function wise, you will keep the same code and only you need to change the file name. We will call here service.html. You will call here next gallery.html. Okay, ready? Gallery file is there. You can make one gallery.html and check once. Right, all pages are loading. Explanation part will be tomorrow. I'll explain you how this Ajax file is working. Function, each word I'll explain you what is the meaning and how it works. Okay, you can log out.